Okay, so how do you verify if a student is actually a student? Because now you might meet people that claim to be NOUN students, but actually they are not. That is the danger of protesting. That I was not so much in support of those physical protests that was done again about NYSC in 2018 and all that. Because it could be, there might be some people that are not NOUN students, but they will join the protest and maybe thwart the whole effort. So that's why. But these days, you can verify if someone is actually a NOUN student or not. If you are looking for your Coursemates, your actual Coursemates, those that are studying the same thing in NOUN and they are actually at the same level with you, perhaps the same semester too, you can find them from these statistics. You go to statistics, let me show you. It's not that easy, but it's easy. It depends on how you see that. It's easy, but let me show you how. You can go from here. That's the best place. This semester, the current semester will always be displayed. This is second semester 2022. You go to the registration list and then you will see their email, their matric numbers. You will filter, just select the ones that are actually your Coursemates. You will contact them in your study center, from your study center. Okay, let's say we choose a study center. The first thing we do here, we choose a study center and then maybe a faculty, then a program. Which program are you studying? So maybe let me use computer science. Let me use computer science because there are many students usually in computer science. So you go to registration list, give it a second. Here, these are the lists of students that have registered this semester. Their name, program, study center, and then you can send them an email. Hey, I'm your Coursemate. You can verify from NOUN website. My name is this. That's all. Although this is generally for all the computer science students. All the computer science students. Generally for all the computer science students. So we have 133 students currently that have registered for this semester. That once you have paid your 18,000, your name should appear here. That's that initial 18,000. Your name should appear here. So it is now the matric number. Look at this. That will tell you, like this two now, they are from the same semester. You can see NOU 1422, 1425, 115, 115 in that order. You can sort. Click on this mat number. Anyone that looks like your matric number is your mate. It's your Coursemate. Look at this. Let me sort. There you go. 223. These are just new students. Like new students, brand new students. Sort this thing. These students are first year students, like 100 level first semester. These are the students we have. These are the students. If you want to meet, if you are this person and you want to meet this person, all you have to do is send the person an email. That's it. Please, we are at the some study center. My name is this. Matric number is this. You can verify at the NOUN portal. As simple as that. If you keep moving, you can just click next, because here it displays only 10 records at a time. You can just click next to look for your own Coursemates. Or you can type NOU 221, for instance. 221. If your matric number started with 221, you can just type NOU 221. You will see all your Coursemates. Just the first 3 digits of your matric number gives you your Coursemates. These are your course mates in your study center. In your study center. This is Abuja Study Center. These are your mates, like your mates, your real mates, the same level with you. Unless you're having card, even if you're having card over, they are still your mates. Okay, so this is one importance of these statistics. It really makes sense. It contains other things you may go through, and then you can find whatever information you want to find. But I just wanted to show you this particular one. It's very important. If you want to, if you want to meet someone, it's very good for it to be very nice for you.